Hey folks, welcome to Anonymous Tips. We're a team of professionals, entrepreneurs, and everyday folks with good old common sense on a mission to help you navigate life smarter, safer, and with less stress. Here, you'll get practical, well-researched insider tips that actually help. No gimmicks, no fluff. From saving money and avoiding scams to starting a business on a budget, we've got you covered. And just because we're helpful doesn't mean we're boring. We keep it fast, fun, and always enlightening. Our content is focused on 4 pillars. Number 1, hidden truths in everyday life. Number 2, personal safety and privacy. Number 3, consumer and financial awareness. And number 4, everyday hacks with real value. Now, why Anonymous Tips? Because it's strangers helping strangers. We've all gotten a great piece of advice from someone we didn't know, and this is our way of paying it forward. Notice there's an us in Anonymous, because this is a community. We encourage you to submit your helpful tips via chat or email for a chance to win a gift card. We choose new winners every week. Well, thanks for watching. Check out our top videos below and welcome to the Anonymous Tips community.